Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving and you go to shift into manual mode but nothing happens. Your transmission stays in automatic and suddenly, the check engine light pops on. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and it throws code P0953. This code indicates a high voltage issue in the auto shift manual mode circuit which can affect your ability to switch gears manually. Today we'll go over what P0953 means, where the key sensors are located, and how you can fix it to get back on the road smoothly. Let's jump in. What is DTC P0953? DTC P0953 stands for Auto Shift Manual Mode Circuit, High Voltage. This means the system has detected a voltage that is higher than expected in the manual shift control circuit, usually due to a shorted wire, a faulty shift switch, or a malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM. Common symptoms of P0953, manual shift mode not engaging transmission stuck in automatic mode, hard or delayed shifting. Check engine light or transmission warning, light limp mode, stuck in a single gear. Sensor and component locations, very important. To troubleshoot P0953, you'll need to inspect these components. Gear shift selector switch location, found inside the center console near the gear shift lever. Function, sends signals to the TCM when you activate manual mode. Transmission control module, TCM location, usually located under the hood near the battery, on the transmission housing or behind the dashboard. Function, manages gear shifts and controls manual mode activation, shift solenoids A, B, C, etc. Location, found inside the transmission valve body, underneath the transmission pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting, input and output. Speed sensors location, mounted on the transmission case near the drive shaft. Function, monitors engine RPM and transmission speed to assist in shifting. Wiring and ground connections. Location, runs from the gear selector switch to the TCM and shift solenoids. Function, ensures proper voltage flow to the shifting components. Inspect these parts first when diagnosing P0953. What causes P0953? 1. Shorted or damaged wiring. High voltage readings due to wiring faults. 2. Faulty gear shift selector switch, can send incorrect signals to the TCM. 3. Corroded or loose connectors, affects voltage flow in the circuit. 4. Bad transmission control module, TCM, causes miscommunication between shift components. 5. Defective shift solenoids, can lead to shifting failures. How to fix P0953, follow these steps to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 1. Check the gear shift selector, switch. Remove the center console cover and inspect the switch wiring. Use a multimeter to measure voltage. If readings are too high, replace the switch. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded or shorted wires leading to the gear selector and TCM. Repair or replace any affected wiring. Step 3. Test the battery and ground connections. Check battery voltage, should be 12.6V or higher. Clean any corroded ground connections to ensure stable voltage. Step 4. Check the shift solenoids. Remove the transmission pan and test solenoid resistance with a multimeter. Replace any solenoids that fail the test. Step 5. Reset the transmission control module, TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the TCM memory. Perform a test drive and monitor shift behavior. Step 6. Clear the code and recheck. After repairs, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive the car and confirm that manual mode functions correctly. Final words. If you're dealing with P0953, your manual shift mode is getting excessive voltage, which can prevent it from working properly. Fixing this issue early will prevent transmission problems and keep your car shifting smoothly. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0772, shift solenoid H, stuck on P0773, P0773, shift solenoid E electrical. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.